Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to check your sign-in activity on Temu account. So first you're going to go to Temu app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then again, you're going to click on Account Security. Then you're going to scroll downwards and click on Sign-in Activity, as you can see. So it's going to show you any active sessions that's been going on. Since your Temu account is protected, if you see any activity that you don't recognize, you guys can sign out. So that's the important step here. That's why we use this setting to check if there's any unnotified sign-in. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.